What? I've had this little robot cleaning the glass in my coffee shop for over a month now, and so many people would stop while walking by and take a video or a photo of it, and I get it. There's something about a robot sticking to a window that seems a little uncanny. This little guy is the ECOVACS WINBOT Mini, and it was sent to me, along with a couple of other robots, by the manufacturer ECOVACS to make this video. So first, let's quickly go over how this little guy doesn't just fall off the glass. If you look underneath it, you'll see these holes. Essentially, the robot suctions itself onto the window using a powerful vacuum. Then, with that going, it has these little tank treads to move along the glass while the removable cleaning pad wipes. In addition to that, it has nozzles on either side to spray the window as it goes from a reservoir that you fill up with their streak-free cleaner. And that nozzle also uses what they call an ultrasonic atomization spray technology. Basically, what that means is it uses vibrations to create ultrafine water mist, essentially, when it sprays to attach to dust and stains, which then loosens and dissolves them, making it easier for the WINBOT Mini to then wipe it up. The WINBOT Mini uses ECOVACS WinSlam 3.0 algorithm to help the robot plan out the most efficient cleaning path using S and N patterns, as well as detect the window frame and size, and even avoid any obstacles on the window larger than 4 millimeters. So even if you have a sign in the window, for example, like I do, it'll go around it. It also doesn't have bumper rails, so the cleaning cloth can reach into the edges of the windows as well, and ECOVACS says that this achieves a 99.5% cleaning coverage. And I can confirm that it is a very clean window. The WINBOT Mini is also, well, mini. It's 13% lighter and 29% thinner than its previous model. So you can use it to clean smaller windows, glass doors, and frameless glass, even fitting into tighter spots. Now, speaking of that, it also has a 9-layer safety system that includes auto air pressure compensation, which means it can tell if it's losing suction on the glass and it'll boost the suction as it needs. There's also a safety tether that you can latch to something so it won't fall all the way to the ground, and it even comes with accident insurance, just in case. Now, you can just put it up against the glass and hold down the button and it'll just start to clean. But you can also use the app to choose different cleaning modes if you want, from a fast mode, deep cleaning mode that is slower, and a thorough cleaning mode that is a combination of fast and edge cleaning. You can also, and the baristas have had a lot of fun with this, control the WINBOT from its app like a remote control window spider, and scare people with it, but also bring it down if it's too high to grab, or bring it to a specific area to spot clean if needed. Now, this model does need to be plugged into a wall outlet to work, but there is also another new version that does not need that. This is the WINBOT W2 Pro Omni, and it's the first ever robotic cleaner with a portable charging station. So you charge the case up, and it's a charging hub for the robot, as well as a storage unit for it, and you can even control the robot from it as well, which is convenient. You can take the robot out, and again, put it on the glass and hold the button, and like the WINBOT Mini, it'll suction itself to it and begin to clean. When it's done, it'll stop on the window and wait for you to come get it like the Mini does, and then you can just put it back in the base and push this button to automatically wrap up the cord. Also, it uses ECOVACS WinSlam 4.0 algorithm to map the most efficient cleaning path, as well as a powerful brushless motor that increases the cleaning efficiency by 30% over the last model. It has more cleaning modes than the Mini with a total of 6. We have fast mode, deep cleaning, and spot cleaning like the Mini, but then also edge cleaning mode that will utilize its multiple sensors to get to the edge, 65% better than the last model did apparently. Then we have thorough mode, which combines deep and edge modes, and a heavy duty mode, which is the hardcore cleaning mode for extra dirty or larger windows. Because of that docking station, you can use it indoors and outdoors without the need for an outlet or an extension cord, and one charge will last 110 minutes, which is plenty of time to clean all the windows in the cafe on fast mode. Also, they happen to launch a new robot vacuum that I've also had cleaning the cafe at night called the D-Bot X9 Pro Omni. It has a new Osmo roller, they call it, that cleans itself as the mop rolls to stop spreading around dirty water, dirt, and bacteria, which is kind of clever. And it's the first of its kind compared to others that only clean themselves when they go back to the dock. And there you go, a quick rundown of these frankly quite mesmerizing little window cleaning robots. Head to the link below to learn more about the WINBOTs and the vacuum as well. And also down there there'll be instructions on a way that you can enter to win a WINBOT. Win a WINBOT. I didn't come up with that, they did. It's a gem though. Check all of that out at the links below. And thanks for watching.